This logarithm function, they are directly related to exponential equations, exponential functions, or exponents. What are exponent or exponential function? We said y equals b to the power x, where this b has some limitation. For example, y equals 2 to the power x. This b called base x is the exponent. B will not be equal to 1 because anything to the power 1 is going to be 1 only, and b is greater than 0. So this was exponential function. In this and the logarithm function, whenever we take log, the base will be b only. Let me tell you where we are going to talk about the exponent. So whenever we write log, it's log base b. B can be assumed to be a subscript. Log b x, we write it as a subscript, but it has a different meaning. Base is b, and then we find out the log of value x. So we can always write it as log x. But the base is very important because base will decide what will be the value. For example, if y equals log bx, what does it mean? How do we relate it with exponent or exponential? So when we say log bx, y equals log bx, it has come from exponent. That is, b has a cap of y. B to the power y is equal to x. This simply means log b of x, y is equal to b to the power y is x. So they both are same thing. Log, take this b, put it here as the subscript, and this y you have to write here, x you have to write here. So this is how the exponents and logarithms are related. So they are the inverse of each other. Please remember, if log is f, exponent or exponent function is f inverse. So let us understand this log better so that we just go to the detailed version. Log 3x is given as 4 in this question. Simply meaning 3 is the base. So 4 is cap of 3, that is 3 to the power of 4 is going to be x. 3 raised to the power of 4 is x. And what does it mean? The x will be, we just have to take the base 3 and take the power 4. That is going to be 81. Log 16 4, base 16. What does it mean? Log 16 base is and 4 is x. That is 16 to the power x is going to be 4. That means 16 to the power x is 4. 16 can be written as 4 square. So it is going to be 4 is 16. So this 2x, 2 and x multiplied. So we have 4 to the power 1. Now you can equate the powers. 2x equals 1. X will be equal to half. So this is how the log is behaving, and now you know what is the base, what is the power. Let us take one more example. Now this is log, base is x, 8 is 3. So we have to find out x. That simply means x to the power 3 is 8. X to the power 3 is 8. What does it mean? What has to be x so that you get cube as 8? It has to be 2. So 2 cube is 8. So x will be what? 2. Or you can take one more thing. You can take the cube root of 8 or 8 raised to the power 1 by 3. That will eventually give you 2. So this is one more example of this log. Logarithmic notation has two normal notation you will find generally in books and the articles. So this literature shows log. The log x is normal. But whenever we are writing, we have to specify the base because all about log is all about base. So log 10x, that means 10 to the power y is x. We write it as common logarithm, common. When we are writing ln, this is natural logarithm. Now here the base is e is Euler number 2.72. This Euler number comes from 1 plus 1 by x to the power x. Limit extends to infinity. The summation of this series is only your Euler number e. Okay, this is base here. So log base ex is the natural logarithm. 10 base is a common logarithm. Ln normally you will see that means it is e as the base. What are the different laws of logarithms? So laws of when we are going to solve the problems, then we'll use it very much. So m and n are positive numbers. In log, we can only have the positive numbers. So the base, this is b, assumed to be b, and it can be any other base also, but the laws remains the same. Log m into n, that is log, some two number multiplies, is log m plus log n. Base has to be same. Log m divided by n, that will be log m minus log n. Log m minus log n. This is log m by n. So multiplication corresponds to plus, division corresponds to negative. Log m to the power n, m raised to the power n will come in the front as the coefficient of log. So n log m. Log the base b, 1 is equal to 0. How do we get it? Simply b to the power 0. b to the power 0 is what? Everything to the power 0 is 1. So b to the power 0 is 1, log b1 is 0. Log b and b, that is the base and the value is same. So b to the power 1, what do you get? b to the power 1 is b. Why? If you equate it to exponent, anything to the power b is the same number. So b to the power 1 is b. So log b is equal to 1. These are the laws of logarithm. So let us take the example on these laws also. So it is given log 2, log 3, log 5 values are given. We have a proper logarithm table, so we can find it from there. Log 15 can be written as log 3 into 5, 5 3 is 15. So log m into n is log m plus log n. So log 3 plus log 5. Log 3 and log 5 value is known. Add them, you will get the value. One more example, log 7.5. Log 7.5 can be written as log 15 by 2. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. This you are going to get as 7.5. So log 15 by 2 is eventually meaning this log. You can write log 15 minus log 2. So log 15 is what? 3 into 5. We have already seen in just a bit this question. So log 15 can be written as 3 into 5. So this is log 3 plus log 5. Log 3 into 5 is log 3 plus log 5. So log 3 plus log 5, subtraction of log 2. Now we all have these values. Assume it to be 0.8751. So this is how log works. Log 81 is simply log 3 to the power 4. Log 81, 3 to the power 4. 4 comes here. 81 is 3 to the power 4. So 4 into log 3, this is the value. Log 50, that is 5 into 10 you can write. Log 5 plus log 10. Log 5 value is known. Log 10. Now see log 10. Since the base is 10, when the base is and the values are same, then it is going to be 1. So log base b of b is 1. That is simply b to the power 1 is b. If it would have been e, the result would have been different. Okay, this is the final answer. Let us take one more simplification of an expression which involves a log. So we have x square and y cube. The base is 3. We have log, just write it as log a dot b. A is x square, b is y cube. So log x square plus log y cube. Now take the power out. 3 log, this 2 log x plus 3 log y. So this is the simplification. You need to write the base always. Please remember. Now this is another example. Log base 2x square plus 1 by 2 to the power x. So this is log m by n form. Log m minus n you can write. Log m log x square plus 1 minus log 2 to the power x and log x. So this is the final, or you can take this will remain like this. First term, second term x can come outside, means x log 2. So log x square plus 1. Please remember, log x square plus 1 is not written as log x square plus log 1. Okay, this 2 log x, this is x log 2. So log 2 now. So the base is 2 here. So base is 2. So log 2 2. Log bb is what? Is 1. So you just have to write x here. So this is the final answer. Log x square plus 1 minus x.